Hey there, I am Ryan.
And I am Sharon. We are here to present our next review today from Compare Review.
So we are going to review Adsley today.
And also the pricing plan and discount coupon that Adsley have to offer you. First, we will start with the introduction and demo of the tool, which will be conducted by our team member Shu.
In the end, you will get to know the exclusive bonuses offered by Adsley. And the bonuses which are worth more than $5,000 and which will be offered to you by the Compare Review team.
Welcome everyone, Reshu Singhal this side, and today I will take you through this amazing software by the name Adsley, which is an all-in-one ads creation suite. You can create ads inside Adsley for almost all the social media platform present, and along with that also Google Ads. It covers all the ad placements which are required. So let's get ahead and see how you have to use Adsley. So this is where you will land when you will click onto the login link. You have to add your credential details over here. And you will be landed on this dashboard. Here you will get all the features which you are getting and bonuses over here. If I go back to the dashboard, you have to click on the Adsley logo to click onto the dashboard. I am just first introducing you to the dashboard. Here are all the projects which you have created so far. So these are all my projects which I have created. The ones which are blank is like which is left without doing much into it. And if you need to create a new project, then you have to click over here. We will come to this option afterwards, but before let's finish all the options we have inside the dashboard. From here you will be taken to our support panel where you can raise a ticket if you have any problem, and these are all the tutorials which will tell you how you have to use Adsley. Coming back, this bell icon will help you to notify if you will have any notification from our end or from your customers end. And here you will get all the information about your purchase, the email ID you have used for your purchase. You can change your password from here and see what you have purchased and what you can have access to if you want to. These are all the upsells information which will be added over here. Getting back to the dashboard, if you want to create an ad from the scratch, you can go to this option. You just have to click over here, name your template, let's say test, click on next, choose the platform for which you want to make an ad. Let me choose Google Ads. Next, now you will choose the ad type, what ad type you want to add. So let's say I want to make a Google ad large leaderboard and create. So this is my canvas, okay, and I am inside the editor right now. First option is text. If you need to add your text on the Google ad, this is what you will use. I'll just show it to you. Simply anything you can write, Adsley, and the whole editor is well equipped with keyboard editing, so you can use keyboard shortcuts to undo, to redo, to copy, to paste, okay, so that it's easier for you. From here you can change the color. You can also add the text over here instead of writing it here, okay. So Adsley, I can say ads tool, simple. So you add something over here, it will be reflected on the canvas. From here you will get the option of changing the font, okay, or maybe this size of the font. You want it small, big, according to your ad, and distance between the two lines, okay. Okay, I have definitely done something over here, but I'll write it again. This will help you to bold the text. These are all the basic text settings: italic, underline, okay, center aligned, side aligned. Here you can position according to the angle, but you can also do that by clicking on it and dragging it with your mouse. Let me reduce the size of it so that you know. Then opacity, the visibility of the text, you can decide that. You can add a shadow to it, and while you add a shadow, you can also edit your shadow, whatever color you are looking for. Offset options, like I am reducing the blur option, so now you can see it clearly. So this is how we add shadow to a text, and the shadow is added. You can see the difference yourself. Let me just zoom it for you. You can see the difference for yourself. Let's get back to the other options. If I click on it, you will get the other options. You have the option of stroke if you want, and again, if you want stroke, that what color stroke you want, you can choose from here. Okay. If you want gradient color, then you have to click over here and you can add the color code or choose the color from here, and then set things accordingly, and you can set the percentage of each color which you want over there. Layering is again the option which layer you want to put in front. So, right now we just have one layer of this text, so we don't need this option, but you will add, when you add image and background, then you will need it. These all are layering options. From this you can rotate the text horizontally and vertically. This will help you to copy the text, and this will help you to delete your text. Let me add it again. This option will help you to lock the position of your text or of your image. Okay. For example, you want it here, and if you lock it, it will not move anywhere else. See, I am moving the mouse, but it is not moving anywhere else. So that is what the lock option do for you. This will help with the alignment. Now alignment will be taken care of within these bars, not according to this canvas. Okay. This is how the text feature works. Next comes to the shape gallery. These are all the shapes which we are providing you so that you can use them in your ads. We have added a huge collection which will ultimately help you to make your ad more profitable and appealing. Then we have a dedicated graphics gallery specially made from my team, Adsley's team, for you guys. These are never before released graphics which are custom made for you people, and you can use it inside your ads, and we will keep on adding more into this. Then from image option you can upload your own image. For example, maybe this. So first let's reduce the size of this image. Or we can do one more thing, since before coming to the image options, I'll introduce you to the resize options. Now in the resize option, you have got all the ad placements over here, and you can resize this particular ad into that ad which you want. Let's say Facebook right column ad. So right now the ad has been resized. So here we have the Adsley duplicate copies. Let's delete them for now. So this is your image. Okay, so basically you have the option of adding your own images in the PNG format, or you can use unsplash option and ask and search for images over here, like a boy maybe, and you'll get all the images, and you can load more and you can add these images over here. Simple. Okay, so I have two kinds of images. One is a PNG image and one is one with background. So first, if I talk about the PNG image, you also have the option of positioning it. It doesn't have background, so you cannot remove the background from here. Then you can reduce and increase its opacity. You can add shadow to it. You can add stroke to it. Stroke will make a border. Okay, again, layering. If for example these two images are like this and you want this image to be above of this image, so you will click on this image and you will click on this option. It will make this particular image come above of all the other layers present in that graphic. Similarly, this option will move it backward, and this option will move it in the last layer. So this will be the last of all the layers. Right now, let's keep it in front. Other options are similar as text, reverse alignment, rotation, delete, copy, and locking the image. Now if I come to this image, again all the options and features remains the same. Apart from two features, I can remove the background of this image. So this image will help me to remove the background. It is already automatically have removed the background, but can you see, you also have the option of editing it. If you want to add something, you just have to click on this green button, cover that area, and it will be added on the final preview image. This is the image you will be getting when you will export it. Okay, and if you want to remove something, you have to choose this red color button and you have to remove it. Now let me undo both the things. We have a perfect picture without background. From here you can select the brush size. Right now brush size is 20 pixel. You can make it up to 40. You can make it up to 10, 5, 1, or you can customize it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. Now let's click on done. Just give it a moment. Here we have our image. Since we cropped an original image which was high in resolution and in dimensions, it came out that big. You can adjust it accordingly. Now you can see that there is a lot of space over here which you don't want to be covered like this. So what you can do is you can simply go to the crop option. As soon as you will start cropping, the image will appear over here. And you can see that the bars have come exactly to the right dimension. Now why we need this option? For the purpose of adding stroke to our image. If I want to add stroke to this image, then it should be perfect. It should not add too much extra space to the particular image. Okay, next, clipping option, where you can turn the image into circle shape, a square shape, or the shape which it is already in. So this is how we use image option, both if you are uploading your own image or if you are using an image from our gallery. Next comes the background option. Now you have four options of adding a background. One is solid. These colors, or any color which you want to add, you can add the color code over here. Then gradient. Again, you can use our library, or you can add the color code over here of whatever color you want to add. And you can change the angle of the gradient colors from here. Then pattern. We have all these beautiful patterns which are fully editable, and you can change the color according to your requirement of both. Okay. And image. Again, if you want to add your own image as a background, then definitely this option. So first This is the background, so let's remove the pattern, and this is your background and at the back. For example, if you want to export an ad without a background, what you need to do is, you have already given a background to it, simply click on this remove background button. Again, remove background button, and you will be making an ad without the background. So if I download it, this is how it will look, okay, without background. Next option is to resize. I have already introduced it to you. It has resize option of all the social platforms plus Google Ads and all the ad platforms covered over here. This is Facebook story. Okay. Then we come to the filter option, wherein you are given different kinds of filter which you can add in your ad. And last option inside the editor is icon option, where you can find any icon of any niche. Let's say laptop. These are all the icons. There will be like hundreds of icons available for laptop, and all the niche you find. This is one of the beautiful features we've added inside Adsley. You just have to click on it, it will appear on the canvas, and you can use it and you can edit it, change the color according to your requirement. This is how the editor looks. If you need to download, I already showed you, you can use this option. If you need to preview your ad before saving or downloading it, click on this option. This is how your ad will look. Go back to the ad editor and you can save your ad over here. Now when you save your ad and you go back to the dashboard, here is your ad. For example, if you need to edit it, copy it, delete it or rename it, you can do it from here. By copying, you will duplicate it. By deleting, you will remove it from your dashboard. And by renaming it, you will give it some other name. Next, let's go to the option where, so whatever you create will be added over here according to the different social platforms, under different social platforms, so that you don't get confused. Then we are giving you targeted audience of 50 different niches, so that you know, when you are starting with working with ads, you are not blank that what audience I have to use for my niche. You can just simply copy paste the audience from here. We have covered 50 different niches and all the major niches. Next is projects, is the main dashboard area. Then comes the templates. We are giving you more than 2000 ad templates. Okay, so these are all the templates according to the different social platforms. You click on view all and you will just see how amazing collection we have of all the templates. There are more than 2000 templates on how to run profitable ads. Then we have proven ad copies of 50 different niches for you, so that when you are running ad for any of your niche, you can copy the ad copies from here and use it inside your ad, making them doing basic changes like your company name, your product name and everything. Major 50 niches are covered into it, and for each niche we are giving 3 to 5 ad copies. These are highly converting ad copies and have been used in our own ads some or the other time, so we know that they will convert. Not all the niches, but yes, definitely we have taken help from good expert marketers of different niches to create these ad copies, to ensure that we give you something that actually works. Then we are giving you best 100 plus ad screenshots that have done wonders for internet marketers. You can take examples from them and create your own ad. These are all proven ads which have converted really well and given really good results to the marketers. It's like everything is done for you. You just have to see, add your stuff and run the ads. You have the ad copies, you have audience, you have templates, you have ad designs, you also have ad screenshots. What else do you need to run an ad? Then we are also giving you ads checklist for Facebook, where it covers all the aspects of Facebook ad and what you should do while setting a campaign, and you can easily check it by viewing this list and seeing that you have not missed out anything. We give you your own gig template so that you can use this gig and create your profile on Fiverr and start selling these Adsly as a service. Not Adsly as a service, but ad creation as a service. We have explained to you in detail how to create an account on Fiverr, how to create a gig, what to add over there. Everything in detail has been added to this PDF of 18 pages. You just have to copy stuff from here and put it over there and start selling and profiting from Fiverr. So now you have a software which gives you all the things related to all the tools and resources which will help you to create a profitable ad. You just have to copy paste stuff and start benefiting from it by running a freelancing job on all the social media platforms. You can take help from the same template to create your profile on other platforms as well. And last comes ebooks for all the social platforms on how which are in detail explaining you how to run ads on each of these social media platforms, because we understand that you might know how to run ads on one platform or two platform, maybe three, but it is there are very less chances that you know how to run ads on all the platforms. So we are giving you a detailed guide explaining you how to run ads on all the platforms so that you know what to do and you are not doing something wrong. So you have now ebooks which will tell you how to run ads. You have your niche collection which will tell you audience collection which will tell you for this particular niche which audience you have to choose. You have ad copies collection, you have templates, more than 2000 templates, and you also have training which will tell you how to run ads profitably with lowest budget and maximum results and conversions. So this is what Adsly is. Apart from that, this is the bonus section where you will get all the bonuses with the commercial license of Adsly as well as the general bonuses which we are providing to everyone. Adsly has very strong upsells which covers an automated ad copy creator, a job finder where you can apply for ad creation gigs and jobs. It also has an agency system where you can add your teammates to it and then ask them to do it for you, and you just sit and see that everything is going on well. It also has a project management system in the upsell which helps you to share your template with your customer and taking their feedback, and according to the feedback doing correction and then finally delivering it. It also helps you to share your template with a co-Adsly user or with a new user so that they can see the work you have done, and if they want they can use it, edit the template and use it for themselves. So Adsly has a lot of features in the upsells. This was just the commercial license for you. If you wish to have access to all the upsells, it is very easy for you. You can simply go to the settings section, my purchases, and you can buy it from here. When you click on this button, you will be taken to a page where all the features which we are giving inside all the upsells will be explained to you. We also provide a template club access in the upsell where you are getting 20 highly converting templates for the next 12 months. So each month 20 templates for the next 12 months. Isn't that amazing? So this is what Adsly is, and a very powerful tool which will help you to run ads on all the social media platforms that are present on the internet. So this is it. And honestly speaking, I have never seen any platform where you can run ads for all the social media platforms, plus Google ads, plus they are giving you ad copies, they are giving you targeted audience of 50 different niches, they are giving you templates, more than 2000 converting ad templates, they are giving you checklist, they are giving you ebooks. I have never seen someone, definitely other graphic designing tools give you the option of creating ads, but this is not a graphic designing tool. This is a complete done for you ad creation suite which covers all the resources required to run a profitable ads. So yeah, this is Adsly, and I hope that you'll enjoy using it. Thank you.
Lastly, have a look at the bonus page that Compare Review team has to offer you. These are worth more than $5,000, and we are giving them to you for free. The only condition is that you need to purchase Adsly from the link in the description. And after the purchase, just send the screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find down in the description. Have a look at the bonuses. These are not just 1, 2, or 3 simple bonuses, but in total, we are offering you 28 bonuses. This will definitely help if you are a content creator, an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here's a review from the Compare Review team. If you liked it, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to check out the description.